Good morning, students of grade 5th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Cordova Mathematics of grade 5th. We are doing chapter 6 Factors and Multiples and activity 4. In activity 4 we have a new topic, least common multiple. Short form is LCM. Least common multiple. What is this? Let's see. We have of these two types method. We can solve LCM with two methods. First, prime factorization method, that is we already study. Second is common division method. First, prime factorization method. We are understanding by our example. Find LCM of 40, 36. That means in prime factorization method we will solve every number different. 40, LCM of 40 and LCM of 36. Okay students, so which number can we divide? Yes, by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 0. Next, again we can divide with 2. 2 ones are 2 and 0. Next, what number will come? Yes, we can divide with 2. Divide with smaller number. Okay, smaller prime number. Because we are doing prime factorization method. So, 2 fives are 10 and 5 can be divided with 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay, next we have 36. 2 ones are 2. We have here 3 and 2 ones are 2. We have 1 and it will become 16. It will become 16. Okay. So 2 8s are 16. Next, which number? By which number we can divide? 2. 2 9s are 18. Which number? 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So these are factors of 40 and these are factors of 36. We call these number factors. Okay, so write here factors of 40. 40 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Next, factors of 36 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now how we will find out the LCM? Let's see. See carefully. We have here common number 2 in both. Yes. So circle it and write here only one time 2. Again we have common here. Okay, so write here only 1, 2. Okay, now we don't have any 2 here. We don't have any pair of 2. So we will write only one time 2 of this number. Okay, now 5. Come on 5. We don't have any pair of 5. So we will write only 1 5. If you can make a pair, then you will write one of them, and if you don't have any pair, the number you have left will write. Now in this we can make a pair. Yes. So we will write only one time 3. Only one time 3. So what is the product of these factors? Let's see. 2 twos are 4. Okay. 4 2s are 8. Okay. 8 5s are 40. And 43 are 120. 120. So LCM of 40 and 36 is 120. Understood everyone? We will find out first of all pair. Okay, if we don't have any pair, we will write single number. And in this 36, we have a pair. First of all, we will find out the pair in both. Okay, if we don't have pair, so we will write single. Okay students, this is our prime factorization method because we have all numbers are prime numbers. So we call that prime factorization method. Okay students, next come on second method, common division method. What is the common division? Let's see. In common division method, what we will do? We will divide in common. That means we don't divide like this different types. We will divide only in one common method. So both numbers can be divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 8s are 16 and we will put here comma because both numbers are different. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. From which number we can divide? Yes, 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Okay, now we don't have any number that divide both number. Okay, so we will divide only with 2. 2 2s are 4 and we have here 7. We will copy down because we are not dividing with 2. So, these numbers, okay, and these both numbers we will write as our LCM. These are factors. These are factors of 16 and 28. So let's see. 2 multiply 2. We have 3 times 2 and we already written here 3 times 2. Okay. We have 2 and 7 and find out the product. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are and 16 7s are 112. 112. So LCM of 16 and 28 is 112. So this was our new topic of LCM. We have two methods in this. First we have prime factorization method and second we have common division method. I hope you all are understand with both topics and both methods. Let's do our activity.